And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friends, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, I've traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each guarded course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ended up and spat it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall, and did it my way. I've loved, I've laughed and cried, I've had my share, my full of losing. And now, as the tears subside, I find it all so damned amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels. Oh, not the words of what he feels. The record show I took the blows and did it yes, it was my way. Ladies and gentlemen, Nathan and Samuel Karaoke.
Thank you, CJ. Thank you for the kind words. Ladies and gents, that is Karaoke Saturday here at Westmead Tavern. Until we meet again, thank you.